Nissan now.
You're watching 8 News Now at 6.
Las Vegas space entrepreneur Robert Bigelow today announced a new venture that he hopes will create hundreds of high-tech jobs. The new company is called Bigelow Space Operations, and it aims to help countries and companies manage multiple space stations in the not-too-distant future. The I-Team's George Knapp has our story.
This would be 3 times the volume as the average module on station on ISS.
Bob Bigelow has always figured his inflatable habitats could be the building blocks for a range of commercial space stations, either as standalone labs in low Earth orbit or multiple units combined to create a larger version of the ISS, or even as permanent bases on or above the lunar surface. 12 years ago, he had tentative agreements in hand with 8 nations who wanted to use Bigelow habitats for their own space programs. Then the global economy tanked.
So the atmosphere changed overnight dramatically, and we kept working.
Bigelow is still intent on being ready to launch his own space station within 3 years. In the meantime, his Beam spacecraft attached to the ISS has proven its durability and usefulness during its nearly 2-year test. And launch companies, including SpaceX, have made amazing progress, encouraging enough that Bigelow thinks there could be a huge market for management in space. Tuesday morning, he announced the launch of BSO, Bigelow Space Operations, a separate company that would essentially help countries or corporations manage future space stations. The first challenge is finding out how large the market might be.
We intend to spend millions of dollars this year in drilling down, hopefully, to a conclusion, one way or the other, as to what the global market is going to look like. We certainly will indicate whether the news is terrible, or is it mediocre, or is it great?
In a media conference call, Bigelow said the 2 biggest obstacles to BSO's success are China and NASA. NASA, because it can't seem to make up its mind what to do with the ISS or what comes next, and China, because it's aggressively courting those countries which were U.S. partners in the ISS. The Chinese have plans for their own space stations.
They're offering very attractive terms and conditions and features that the commercial sector is going to have a horrible time trying to compete with.
By the end of this year, he expects to know if BSO will be able to fly. George Knapp, 8 News Now.
So the new company has already filled senior management positions, including a chief operating officer and general counsel. If all goes well, it expects to employ 400, maybe even 500 employees and have offices all around the world. So coming up here tonight at 11 o'clock, the I-Team looks at another way the Bigelow plant has generated worldwide attention. Recent stories about a mystery metal that was stashed at the North Las Vegas facility.